We're doing a video. Yeah, go ahead. We got an engine startup of this amazing 396 402 big block XJS here. Wonderful exhaust note. I'm going to get a picture of the engine.
This one's cammed a little bit.
Okay.
Kind of hear it there.
Got a little cam, so it's kind of a street cam.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Kind of the old hot rod mechanical cam. But this is stuff to look.
So it's a solid lift or mechanical lift?
It's a hydraulic.
Same direction as the stock mechanical cam. Obviously, it's a very cool car with a 402, like a 7071 Chevelle motor.
Well, the reason is because this manifold is lower, and that gives me hood clearance.
So the Chevelle manifold is lower to give them the hood clearance because you can see it's a stock hood. And I'm just going to open that door and take a quick little thing. My camera can only take fairly short videos, but it's a Connolly leather custom interior with beautiful leather, some accessory gauges, lots of photos of this car, but just a little walk around video and kind of the very beautiful looking car. And what's the color on this car?
Signal red.
Signal red. The XJS stock color. So why don't we drop the hood?
Okay.
So just a little walk around video.